He who dwells in the shelter of the Most High will abide in the shadow of the Almighty. Psalm chapter 91 verses 1. Hello, beautiful family. A very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Where are my Ashantis at? Today we are making Ampesi. I have been craving for this for the longest. And hubby was in full support, so we just had to make this delicious Ampesi with a very special Abomu, especially for the diasporans. So please stay tuned and let's get right into this. It's going to blow your mind. To begin with, let's go through the ingredients. Here I have my cassava and some ripe plantains. And for our Abomu or sauce, we are going to be using some eggplant, which I'm going to substitute for garden eggs, some tomatoes, some onions, peppers, and ginger. I also have some green peas, which is also going to substitute the almighty turkey berries. I have some peanut butter, some palm oil, and for our proteins, we are going to go with eggs and some mackerel fish. Okay, these are most definitely simple ingredients to find, isn't it? I'll be listing each and every ingredient below in the description box, so in case you miss any, please do well to check it out. So to begin with, I'm going to peel off the skin of my eggplant and I'm going to put it in a bowl. We're going to bring it to a boil, and to that, today I decided to boil my tomatoes, and I also add one habanero pepper and of course my green peas. Everything goes right here, and a little bit of water. I'm going to put it on fire and of course bring it to a boil. Okay, this will take about 5 minutes, not much. So in the waiting time, I'll then go ahead and peel off the skin of my cassava. To remove the cord or the thing thread that you find in the middle of the cassava. It's really good. If you're doing for Ashanti, you want to make sure that part is being removed. Okay, and once you're done, you go ahead and cut it into any shapes and forms that you prefer. Repeat until you're done with everything, and once you're done with the cassava, you go ahead and give it a wash. It's very important. And go ahead and peel off the skin of your ripe plantains as well. I added the ripe plantains because personally it's my favorite. I know a lot of people also love it fried, but my personal favorite is to boil it. I do not know why. I enjoy it so much, and pairing it with some abomu gives you that spice and sweet flavor, which is absolutely beautiful. So we are done. I'll go ahead and cut them into the portions that I prefer, and voila, we are good to go. We're going to give everything a boil, including our eggs. Going to pack everything in a bowl and add enough water to cook this perfectly for about 10 minutes to 12 minutes, not more. Okay,
when I don't see people again.
Now all that you have to do is season it with a little bit of salt, cover it and allow it to cook. Alright, while waiting, there is always something to do. I'm going to concentrate on our mackerel fish here. I'm going to season it with all pepper seasoning and a little bit of fish seasoning and salt and black pepper as well. And I'm going to air fry these. It is so easy with the air fryer. Trust, if you've not tried this, just go ahead and try it, or you can use your oven or your grilling machine. It doesn't really matter. Sprinkle a little bit of oil on top and just allow it to air fry. This should not take you more than 15 minutes and you'll be good to go. So in the waiting time, you just go ahead and prep for your abomu or your dip sauce. It is so accepted in Ghana to use your traditional grinder, or you can use your blender using the pulse version for the new school vibes. It is accepted too. Okay, we do not have to always stress in the kitchen. That I do not tolerate, but I just love using the asanka. So that is exactly what I'm using. I'll first start off with the onions, a little bit of salt, and go in with my pepper and my boiled tomatoes, and all the vegetables follows. I'll then add my green peas and the eggplant as well. Give it a good grind and you'll be good to go. This should take you about 10 minutes. Preparing this really does not take long. It's under 30 minutes meal. I am so certain about this. If you follow the simple steps, you're going to achieve this under 30 to 35 minutes, not more. Now our perfect abomu is ready. You want this to have a little bit of texture, okay? It should not be completely smooth. I went in with a bit of peanut butter. It is completely optional, but I just love the taste in there. The green peas took this amazing abomu to the next level. So I really want you to try and let me know how you like it. I believe you're going to absolutely love it. If the abomu or the sauce is a bit thicker, you will go ahead and add a little bit of water to dilute it a little bit. We are done with the abomu. Season it with a bit more salt if you desire. And it is important to add a little bit of palm oil to this. You can definitely enjoy it without palm oil, but it's always good to have a little bit of glossiness on it. All right. Now that our palm oil is being very well infused with our onions, they are very caramelized. We're going to now pour it on our sauce. Give it a good mix. Make sure that each and every sauce has this lovely palm oil infusion, which is absolutely great. So now our dip sauce is very ready. Our cassava and our plantains and nicely boiled. They are all ready to be served and it's about to go down. It is so amazing. Just look at the amazing mackerel fish, a little bit of avocados, and of course do not forget your egg. Don't also forget to sprinkle a little bit more of the onions. It gives that lovely crunch. There you have it, family. This, every Ashanti man is going to be super proud of you. They're going to love you and give you everything you need. It is so delicious and very nutritious. So there you have it, family. This brings us to the end of the amazing recipe. I really hope you learned a thing or two. It is very important to me, all right? And if you did, please do not forget to give me a thumbs up, share it with a few friends and family. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe to join the family for amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and just know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. See you in my next one. Have a blessed day.